Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manifest their desires, while others struggle to make their dreams come true? Today, we're diving into the art of manifestation and how you can unlock its power in your life. So, what is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts, desires, and intentions into reality. At its core, it's about aligning your mind, energy, and actions with the universe to attract what you truly desire. Whether it's love, success, wealth, or happiness, manifestation allows you to co-create your reality by focusing on what you want, not what you lack. However, it's not as simple as thinking positive thoughts. It's about becoming a magnet for your desires, and that requires you to dive deeper. So why do so many people struggle to manifest their dreams? According to Regan Hillyer, one of the world's leading manifestation experts, there are a few common reasons. 1. Presence of subconscious beliefs that we're not worthy of success and deep-rooted fears and doubts. 2. Lack of alignment. If your desires aren't aligned with your true self or higher purpose, you'll experience resistance. It's like trying to swim upstream. 3. Lack of clarity. Manifestation requires crystal clear intentions. If you don't know exactly what you want, it becomes nearly impossible to manifest it. So how do you become a master at manifestation like Regan Hillyer? Here are her top practices to manifest the life you desire. 1. Start by clearly defining what you truly want. Write it down, visualize it, and speak it into existence. The more precise you are, the stronger the intention. 2. Detach from the outcome. While it's important to be clear about what you want, it is essential to release attachment to how or when it happens. 3. Release limiting beliefs and old stories. We need to identify old stories like, "I'm not worthy," and replace them with empowering affirmations. Remind yourself daily that you are worthy of success. 4. To start acting as if you've already manifested your desires. If you want to be abundant, act abundant now. Align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of already having what you desire. 5. Raise your vibration and clear the energy block. To do this, practice gratitude and surround yourself with positivity, with like-minded people and environment that energize you. Sometimes, energetic blocks from past experiences prevent manifestation. To overcome these, practice energy healing and do the inner work. 6. Take aligned action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. It is very important to take inspired action every day toward your goals. When you take steps aligned with your intentions, the universe responds. Manifestation is an art. It's about trusting in the process, aligning your energy, and taking action. As Regan says, you are the creator of your reality. So start today by getting clear, releasing your fears, and stepping into the future you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content.